Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing a multi-function switch, voltage regulator, USB charger in our pop-up. So I purchased this here. It got your rear lights, it's got your winch power, and it's even got your Sasquatch lights. So these three switches here, they all illuminate. It's got a voltage meter, so I know it's coming off my battery. Has a little USB charger here as well. And I was trying to find a place to put this in the pop-up. I realized that right here was a switch for a under cabinet light. Now already I have power to this switch and I have a switchable light underneath those cabinets. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull the power off of those two, put them on here, and hook up my lights to probably my Sasquatch light switch or my winch power. I don't know yet, but we're going to go ahead and put this right there. Easiest spot to put it, and then after this we're going to put in our underbelly lights and we're going to hook them all up. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's the 3-burn medium, Popup with a pop-up. Till next time, I'm out.